In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Polymarket. Whether you're new to prediction markets or just curious, I'll show you exactly how to get started step by step. Let's get started. First, go to polymarket.com and sign into your account. You can connect a wallet like MetaMask or log in using your email and a verification code. Then, on the home page, you'll see a list of live prediction markets. Topics range from politics to sports to crypto prices. Now click on any market you're interested in. For example, what price will Bitcoin hit in June? This opens a detailed page about that market. After placing your bet, you can track your position in the portfolio section to monitor wins or losses. When the market resolves, if your prediction was right, your payout is automatically added to your balance. And that's how to use Polymarket to make predictions and follow real-world events. If this guide helped, like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more crypto tutorials. See you next time!